topography. According to topography of the next muscle, that are musculus
Pectoralis minor, pectoralis minor,
and this is bone
clavicle.
What this is, you can see musculus. Name this musculus.
Pectoralis
Musculus pectoralis major. This is located external. Under this muscle, located another muscle.
Pectoralis
minor. Поэтому between this is, if you let's see, what you can see, what first, rib. Значит, клавикула and from clavicle to superior, как-то тут не, тут, наверное, да, вот тут, да, this, between, значит, between clavicle and superior margo musculus pectoralis major located trigonum. Вот он, you can see.
Clavicopectoralis.
Clavicula pectoralis. This is projection. What you can see, this is projection. Another muscles, это musculus pectoralis minor. This is named trigonum, значит, клавика. Clavicula pectoralis. Это this is trigonum pectoralis. This is, you can see, trigonum subpectoralis. This is, according to this trigonum, arteria axillaris divided three parts. Understand? This is three parts. Just, значит, I explain, а потом then I show you in cadaver. Okay? What this is, you can see. This is what different position, same. What you can see, clavicle. Значит, this is what this is. What you would know it. This is what how arteria axillaris begin. Start. This is arteria axillaris forms branches. These branches name arteria thoracica superior. What you can see, arteria thoracica superior. Another, the second artery name arteria thoracoacromialis. Thoracoacromialis located superior margo musculus pectoralis major. Это projection. Поэтому this is, you can see, вот arteria thoracoacromialis. This is, допустим, you know, this is name там truncus. That truncus, if you name truncus, это because this is many branches. Trunctus celiacus, you know, да, truncus cervicalis, это costa cervicalis, that is truncus, потому что because more two artery forms. This you can see name arteria thoracoacromialis. This is form only two branches. The two, видите, two. One branches. This is
Pectoralis.
вот как называется. Вот это thoracoacromialis give many branches. This is branches. Ну давайте потом, пока так. Вот next arteria. In this is in trigonum pectoralis located one artery, arteria lateralis. Thoracica lateralis. Значит, ну да, я на русском, да, латералис. Артерия латералис. Ну, очень same. Артерия латералис латин, артерия латералис Russian. Two. Потому что in Russian language many Latin name, Latin term. This is used all Russian. Lateral, medial, this is to understand Russian. Next, this is one artery. Arteria thoracica lateralis. This you can see next part. You can see subpectoralis. You can see next artery. Arteria subscapularis and two arteria. Arteria circumflexa humeri. Значит, anterior и arteria circumflexa posterior. Да, posterior. This is artery. This is what you can see in other pictures. If you, for example, arteria thoracica superior supply, значит, intervertebral muscles, superior location. And this is supply musculus serratus anterior. You must know on the back located two musculus serrator name.
Latissimus dorsi.
How many back?
Latissimus dorsi.
Two name.
Latissimus dorsi.
Нет, serratus.
Serratus anterior. Posterior.
Musculus serratus posterior.
Posterior.
Superior and
Inferior.
Итак, so next, this is artery thoracic acromialis. Has many branches, many rami. What you can see, rami thoracica, thoracica. This is rami supply musculus serratus anterior. This is next maritiform rami deltoideus, значит musculus supply deltoideus. This is to acromion. Вот acromion, значит rami acromialis. Вот он, rami acromialis. And this is rami deltoideus, and this is rami to musculus subclavia. Subclavia. Next, if you arteria thoracica lateralis, this is supply musculus serratus anterior and
Posterior.
anterior, musculus thoracica major et musculus thoracica, ой, господи, что говорит thoracica, pectoralis.
Pectoralis.
Musculus pectoralis major
y minor.
musculus pectoralis minor and
Serratus anterior.
musculus serratus and this is serratus and branches to mammalia, да? Mammalia. Next, if you next, там же еще там musculus teres major, еще musculus teres major. Так, вот this is you can see next. Это this is subscapula, это more artery. This is has thoraco. What you can see branches artery thoraco-dorsalis, подождите. Thoraco-dorsalis. Вот он, thoraco-dorsalis. This is muscles. Будет supply. What is muscles?
Latissimus dorsi.
Musculus latissimus dorsi. Musculus latissimus dorsi. And this is next, what you can see, arteria circumflexa scapula. What this is arteria circumflexa scapula through the trigonum trilaterum. This is continuous into subscapula. What you can see, scapula. Значит, scapula has next. This is what name this fossa?
Subscapular fossa.
Name like this is located musculus
Subscapularis.
subscapularis. Значит, this is muscles circumflexa scapula supply musculus subscapularis. Musculus subscapularis. Then muscles form branches, and this is form anastomosis musculus arteria which supply musculus supraspinatum. It's musculus suprascapularis, arteria suprascapularis, которая which begin from truncus cervicalis. Next, значит, вот она circumflexa scapula. Так, another, you can see from this artery, значит, start artery, arteria circumflexa humeri anterior and posterior. This is arteria circumflexa humeri anterior through the trilaterum. This is circumflexa posterior through quadratum. Trigonum. Как он? Quadrilaterum. Trilaterum, quadrilaterum. This is to connect and form anastomosis located around
Column
surgical. This you can see artery. This is artery of the arteria axillaris. Arteria axillaris, значит, this is what is supply. Значит, this is musculus biceps. This is articulatio humeri. This is
shoulder joint. Deltoid
musculus deltoideus. Next, this is you can see artery located is you can see arteria cavitas axillaris. Cavitas axillaris. This is together. You can go speak. This is arteria axillaris supply muscle, значит, humeri, articulation humeri, and muscles around. This is this is articulation, articulation humeri. This is musculus pectoralis major, minor. This is musculus serratus anterior. This is musculus deltoideus, musculus biceps, musculus subclavia. This is musculus supraspinatum. This is infraspinatus subscapularis. But because this is together, this is muscles of the scapula supply to this is musculus suprascapularis. Suprascapularis supply muscles supraspinatum, infraspinatum, and musculus levator scapula. And this is this is arteria axillaris supply to its musculus teres minor and musculus teres major. This is group of the muscle, and this is would supply this arteria axillaris. This is arteria axillaris. This is very, как скажем, damaged. This is защищать. Это слово. Cave, cave. This is cave artery. Cave, because arteria axillaris located in cavitas axillaris. This is for you very important. You must know this artery because around this is artery. Around artery located three. This is как они called, of the plexus brachialis. Brachialis. This is located. Plexus brachialis. Plexus brachialis. Вот this is так, plexus. Сейчас я вам show you. Вот, for example. Да, смотрите, see? I show you. Вот, смотрите, see. Вот у нас. Вот так, сейчас мы посмотрим. Я забыла слово одно. Тронкус, артикулус. Корд. Неправильно, корд. Значит, корд. Смотрите, вот you can see arteria axillaris. This is, you can see, this is around, located, вот you can see nervus, видите, вот nervus. Вот this is, you can see, вот это cord. This is the medial cord, posterior cord, and lateral cord. Every cord forms nervus. Nervus ulnaris, nervus axillaris, nervus axillaris, nervus ulnaris, medianus. Поэтому because вот you can see arteria, видите, arteria axillaris, and I show you in cadaver. And you can see this is artery. Around artery located nerves and cord and funiculus and nothing. Это the next semester. Вот this is, смотрите, this is short. This is model, the pictures of this is next. You can see this is this is this. This is artery. Итак, this is border where begin musculus humerus. Name.
Teres major.
Это this.
Teres major. Superior border of teres.
Да, border. Это inferior marco of the musculus teres major. This is where begin arteria brachialis. Brachialis. No, English brachialis, да, Latin brachialis. Вот brachialis. Вот this is, you can see, arteria brachialis form next branches. Это this is arteria profunda. Located, видите, laterally. And this is arteria brachialis continues along humeri. And in the articulation cubity form two branches. These branches name
Arteria radialis, arteria ulnaris.
radialis, arteria ulnaris. Okay. Теперь this is in bracket, in humeri. This is from next branches. From arteria profundus from next branch. This is arteria profundus has terminal end. Это terminal end name arteria radialis collateralis. Значит, arteria radialis collateralis. This is from above, from the profunda begin another artery. This is an exception, да, артерия, вот он тут. Где она у нас тут? Да, артерия коллатералис. Вот она, артерия коллатералис радиалис. Вот you can see arteria collateralis medius. This is two artery form reta arteriosi in this is cubity. Next, значит, medially located. You can see next arteria, вот она, arteria collateralis ulnaris superior, arteria collateralis ulnaris inferior. Вот two arteries. This is from many branches which innervation muscles and bone, tissue, bone tissue. Next, this is when you can see this is arteria radialis. This is artery located in sulcus radialis, sulcus medialis. This is from this arteria, what you can see, arteria ulnaris, from arteria recurrens ulnaris. Arteria recurrens from two branches, anterior and posterior. If you anterior connect with arteria collateralis ulnaris superior, arteria posterior,
Inferior ulnaris
да, connect, this is arteria collateralis inferior, this is ulnaris, вот collateralis ulnaris inferior. Then from this arteria ulnaris, from arteria interosseous communis. Communis divided two